Na kutoka mahakamani tuelekee katika jumba la Afya House hapa Nairobi, ambapo Wizara ya Afya inaelezea mikakati ya kuboresha bima ya afya ya SHA ili kuwafaidi Wakenya zaidi. Hayo yalisemwa wakati wa afisa mkuu wa SHA Mercy Mwangangi alipoanza kazi rasmi hii leo. Tusikilize yanayojiri.
70% of us, very few of us trickle into the secondary level. And so one of the things we'll be doing in SHA, when you hear SHA, think of human-centered care, think of primary health care systems. Number 3, a shared responsibility and equity. This is a social health authority. This is not about Dr. Mwangangi. This is not about PS Oluga. This is not even about His Excellency. This is about you, the Kenyan. How do you engage with your healthcare services? How do you protect your family on a risk that you have no idea when it will strike? And so part of my work will really be to showcase to you Kenyans the entitlements that sit within SHA. And I've been surprised over the last few weeks, sitting with different members of the public and realizing that many of us actually do not even know the entitlements that are right in SHA. I was sitting with a colleague and they were asking me, by the way, can I deliver with SHA? And how much will SHA pay? I was visiting a friend and they were wondering, and I was trying to convince them why they need to plug into the SHA system and pay their premiums. Then in the informal sector, they do a lot of mtumba business. And she asked me, but ni nini nitapata kwa SHA? Nikiingia SHA. Ni nini nitapata kwa SHA? And I had to open for her the benefits list, and she was surprised. You mean these entitlements are there? Yes, they're there, Kenyans. And really, it's a disservice that you're doing to yourself and your family if you're not enrolling into this authority.
Na mtazamaji, tunarejea studioni nipate fursa ya kupumua kidogo kabla ya kurejea na taarifa zaidi.